Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix website flipping with Flippa, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Flippa website to create your account. Once on the homepage, click on the sign up button to begin. Fill in the required details such as your name and email address. Choose a secure password for your account to ensure safety. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to activate your account and log in. Now that you're logged in, explore the marketplace to understand available listings. Use filters to narrow down your search based on niche, price range, and site age. Select a few websites that catch your interest and take notes on their details. Analyze the traffic metrics provided for each listing to gauge potential. Look at the website's revenue sources and how consistently they generate income. Make note of any expenses associated with maintaining the site. Before making an offer, reach out to the seller for more information. Ask about the site's growth potential and any challenges faced. Once you feel confident, set a budget for your purchase. Navigate to the listing page of your chosen website. Click on the Make Offer button to enter your bid. Consider placing a slightly lower offer to allow room for negotiation. If your offer is accepted, prepare for the next steps in the transfer process. Ensure you have the necessary payment method ready for the transaction. Once payment is processed, request the necessary login credentials from the seller. This typically includes access to the website hosting and any associated accounts. After receiving the credentials, log in to assess the website's backend. Check for any technical issues or needed updates immediately. Consider implementing your own strategies for content and marketing improvements. Monitor the site's performance regularly to identify growth opportunities. Engage with the online community for insights and tips on website flipping. Finally, stay informed about industry trends to maximize your profits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.